Okay, here we go. Last video, and I'll end up doing this in number 3, and then you guys can work on the homework that's on the sheet on our worksheet. So there are a bunch of questions to do that's on our worksheet, the homework. Okay, so let's start off here. So b squared minus 4ac. So b is 12 squared minus 4 times 2 times 18. So then we go to our calculator here, and I go 12 squared minus 4 bracket 2 bracket 18, and I get 0. Okay, if I get 0, this means there's only one x-intercept. So this equation, like the vertex is on the x-axis. There's only one x-intercept. Only one x-intercept because it's 0. Okay, let's do this one. So first we have to expand it. So I'm just going to do it very quickly here. I'm going to expand this x squared minus 5x plus 25 plus 9, 4x squared minus 10x plus 25, 4x squared minus 40x, 2 plus 100 plus 9, and it's 4x squared minus 40x plus 109. Okay, and then b squared minus 4ac. B is negative 40 squared minus 4. A is 4 and C is 109. Ooh, this doesn't look too good. Oh, sorry, I cut it off, so there's all the work there. And let's figure out what that is. So negative 40 squared minus 4 bracket 4 and then 109. Negative 144. Okay, there's no x-intercept. There are no x-intercepts when it's negative. There are no x-intercepts. Again, so if it's a 0, there's one x-intercept. If it's negative, no x-intercepts. And the positive ones show there's 2. Now, there's a second way to do these, and I wrote it here instead of like expanding all that. You can use some logic. If a function is in vertex form, either convert it to standard form and use the discriminant, which is what we did, or identify the vertex and the direction of opening and figure out the number of roots. So what does that mean? So let's take a look. So let's look at this one. Okay, let's just do a little plain x and y axis. Okay, the vertex here is negative 5. Vertex is negative 5 comma negative 3. So our vertex is like negative 5 this way, and down here is negative 3. So it's down here. This parabola opens up. So when it opens up, it's got to hit the x-axis twice. So we could have known just by sketching it that when it opens up, it hits the x-axis twice. Okay, just by sketching it, we would have known. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, let's figure out my vertex is 5 comma 9. Way up here, 5 up to 9. Way up there, like 5 over, way up to 9 if it was x. This is my x and y axis. Now it opens up. Oh, it opens this way. Wait a second. It's never going to come down through there. Look, it's opening up. It's never going to come through the x-axis. So there's no x-intercepts, just like our calculation showed. There's no x-intercepts. Okay, last little word problem here. A theater company's profit can be modeled by the function. It can be modeled by the function px, where x is the price of a ticket in dollars. Can the company make a profit of 8,000? I don't know. Let's figure out. If it can make a profit of 8,000, well, pretty much all you have to do is figure out whether b squared, where is it? B squared minus 4ac is positive. Okay, so that's all we have to do is figure out can it make a profit. So we got 8,000. We're going to put 8,000. Can the profit make a profit of 8,000? We're going to put 8,000 in here. So 8,000 equals minus 60x squared plus 700x minus 1,000. We're going to bring that 8,000 over, so it's going to equal 0. So minus 60x squared plus 700x minus 1,000 minus 8,000. And then here, 0 equals minus 60x squared. We can always make it equal 0 plus 700x, and here's minus 9,000. So can it make this profit? Oh, there, minus 9,000. So this is my A, B, C, and we can plug that into, if this is positive, we know it can make a profit. So if it's positive, or even 0, we're not sure, but if it's positive, we know for sure it can make a profit. So B minus 4AC. So we're going to put the B in, 700 minus 4A. Let's see what A is. A is negative 60. That's B squared. Whoops, made a mistake. B squared minus 4AC minus that. Let's keep going. A, let's see what C is. C is there, negative 9,000. Okay, let's see. So we put that in. If this turns out to be positive, it'll make a profit. If it's negative, it will not make a profit. So let's do their calculation here. 700. So I'm going to bring the calculator there. 700 minus 4 minus 60, and then minus 9,000. Okay. Oops, let's hit equals here. Ooh, did I forget the squared? I forgot the squared here. Whoops, let's do that again. 700. So I forgot the squared there. So 700 squared. Okay. Minus, they look a little too big. I didn't think. Okay, minus 60. Just looked too big when I did it. So I realized I forgot the squared with the 700. Okay, and then minus 9,000. Close the bracket. Equals. Still minus 1, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. So if that's minus, it cannot make a profit. So in this particular case, it cannot make a profit of 8,000, maybe less, but it cannot make a profit. No, it cannot. If it was positive, it could. So you put no, it cannot make a profit. Okay, now you're finished. Hopefully you can now just do the homework questions. There's not a lot. Please finish them. Okay, thank you.